What's up, guys? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2013 GMC Yukon SLT. This vehicle is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 with 320 horsepower and 335 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. So, I haven't actually driven this generation of the Yukon before, or at least I don't think I have. So I'm interested to see how it drives. This is a 13-year-old car now. And this one's actually in really good condition. It has 92,000 miles on it, so pretty low miles for a Yukon SLT. Typically, even these 2013s have like 150K because they're family haulers. They're driven all over the country and stuff. You have a nice, beige interior in here, and the seats look mint. Like, they're super comfortable. The seats are really, really comfortable, like really cushy, really good back support, and the thigh comfort's really, really good too. But yeah, the seats look really good. This doesn't have a sunroof. I think maybe only the Denali comes with the sunroof, or maybe not. Maybe it's like an option or something. It's like the older GM steering wheel. These were in like a lot of the GMC Sierras, Yukons, and everything like that. Also, like, this was similar to the steering wheel that was in the Tahoes and Chevy products of the time as well. You have a pretty small screen in here. You have a backup camera, but it's really, really hard to see. The steering, the AC is ice cold in here. It is freezing in here. It's nice, especially on this summer day. Feels great. You have a Bose sound system, so that's pretty cool. And there's a trunk button up there. You also have ventilated seats. What? That's cool. You have ventilated seats and heated seats. That's really cool, actually. I didn't think an SLT would have ventilated seats. I thought that was only on the Denali. And yeah, pretty standard GM gauge cluster in this thing too. Let's walk around this Yukon and we'll take it out for a spin. I like to get videos on these older cars when I can get my hands on them. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for older cars too, so I'm gonna try my best to get more affordable and older cars too, because I like making videos on everything. Newer cars, expensive cars, and old cars too. So you have these chrome wheels on here. They look pretty interesting. This specific one has Michelin Defender tires on it. Pretty good tires for a vehicle like this. Can't go wrong with Michelin's. Here's the pretty standard Yukon grille. It's a chrome grille. Yeah, this car's in pretty good shape. It really is. You have chrome door handles. SLT badge on the side. Here are the rear seats. It's a bench. And you also have heated rear seats, which is impressive. Here's the back of the vehicle. Single outlet exhaust. So it's a manual trunk, not power. Yeah, you got a lot of room back here, considering it's a Yukon. You can fit a lot of stuff back here. You could fold them in a row if you need more room as well. But anyways, time to drive this Yukon, see what it's like. That AC is really kicking in. It's like ice cold in here. All right. I'm really impressed that it has ventilated seats. I did not expect that at all. And I'm really impressed with the comfort of the seats. Really, really cushy seats in this car, that's for sure. Well, that V8 sounds pretty dang good. As expected, the vehicle's got a lot of body roll. I mean, it is a Yukon, but that V8 sounds amazing. Steering is pretty vague as well. Rev's pretty high. But man, ride is really comfortable. It's pretty quiet too. You're very elevated above the road in this thing. Yeah, it's insulated in here for sure. The ride feels great. Feels quite comfortable and luxurious, actually. And the seats are, as I mentioned multiple times already, the seats are fantastic. Oh yeah, and you have the turn signal lights in the mirror too, so the people behind you can see that. I've always liked that. It's pretty cool. It blinks red arrows on your turn signal mirror. I remember when I was younger and I'd see these on the road, I would notice that turn signal arrow on the mirror, and I always liked it. So, we have concluded today's test drive on this 2013 GMC Yukon SLT. Very comfortable drive and a lot of space in this vehicle. Drives how I expected a Yukon would drive. A V8 sounds amazing. And, you know, used examples like this one right here are, you know, could be great family cars if you're on a budget. These are really popular. You know, pre-owned Yukons are always very, very popular and sell really, really fast for a reason. Great family vehicles to haul people, your family members in, and go on nationwide road trips or go wherever you want to go. But thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for a wide variety of nice pre-owned vehicles like this Yukon.